Claim, new UGC guidelines, do they brand general category students as presumed criminals? Fact check.
The claim is going viral on social media.
Social media users have recently been circulating a claim about the new UGC rules targeting general category students. Instagram user National Meta Society shared such a claim, asserting that BJP government has implemented the new UGC regulations in all colleges and universities across the country. These new UGC rules have made the general category students the sole target, branding them as default criminals in any instance of caste bias on college campuses, setting the stage for the targeted persecution of GCs. View the post here.
Fact check.
Truth, the claim is false. While new UGC regulations were indeed notified in January 2026 by the government, they aim to prevent discrimination against marginalized groups, including scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes, not mentioning specifically other categories. Without naming them does not mean the provisions presume general category students as guilty by default. Fact check details. Digit-i India decided to investigate this claim and found that it is false. The new UGC guidelines aim to prevent discrimination against marginalized groups like scheduled castes, SC, scheduled tribes, ST, and other backward classes, OBC. There is no evidence to prove that general category students will be branded as presumed criminals, and all the investigations by the newly set up Equal Opportunity Centers, EOCs, and equity committees will be evidence-based. The report further states that an equity committee must be established under the Equal Opportunity Centers, which will review the complaint and submit a report. View a section from the report here. The circular mentions that Equal Opportunity Center shall coordinate with the District Legal Services Authority and the State Legal Services Authority concerned to achieve the objectives of these regulations. In cases of discrimination, the Equity Committee shall thereafter submit its report to the head of the institution within 15 working days. View a section from the circular here. The notification also states that the Equity Committee must have representation of other backward classes, persons with disabilities, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and women. View the objective of the document below and a section of the composition. The report further takes into account how new rules also mandate the representation of these communities in the new recommended committees, which the upper castes people say are draconian as they exclude them. View the screenshot of this section here. While the UGC regulations maintain the guidelines are to promote equity, the Supreme Court found them vague and prone to misuse. Otherwise, the claim that the guidelines tend to branding the general category students as presumed criminals is false. Claim, new UGC rules under BJP presume general category students guilty and enable branding them as presumed criminals. Conclusion, the claim is false. While new UGC regulations were indeed notified in January 2026 by the government, they aim to prevent discrimination against marginalized groups, including scheduled castes, SC, scheduled tribes, ST, and other backward classes, OBC, not mentioning specifically other categories. Without naming them does not mean the provisions presume general category, GC, students as guilty by default. Rating, false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, Digit-i India.